Game over.
Oh man. Oh. Alright. What can I do now?
Tetris.
What's up, guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys Morgan's Corner Proving Grounds. I'd probably consider this my local track, and honestly one of my favorite in the area. It just flows really well. It's a ton of fun, but we'll dive a little deeper into that later in the video. For now, just enjoy some raw footage, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Alright guys, so let's get into it. We'll get some of the boring details out of the way. Again, this is Morgan's Corner Proving Grounds. It's located in Elizabeth City, North Carolina. It's about an hour outside of Virginia Beach, if you're coming from that direction. He does have a membership. It's $50. Once you have that, it's $20 a day to ride. In terms of hours, unfortunately, he's really only open Saturdays and Sundays, depending on weather, obviously. From 10 to 5. Occasionally he'll open up, an extra day if it's a holiday or something, like a Friday or Monday, something like that. But really aren't many midweek rides, unfortunately. But yeah, what you're seeing in this beginning of this video is the pit bike track, and I'd say this is definitely his pride and joy. He puts a lot of effort into this thing, which is great because honestly it's a lot of fun. It's a great spot to learn. You can see I'm on my 450 here, just, having a blast. You can see the little ones I'm passing and stuff, so it's definitely for all ages. He does night races with this thing. It's all lit up. I haven't been to one personally, but I've seen the posts and stuff. He does a great job. He does some stuff for charities, which is always cool. So yeah, over to the side that you won't really be able to see in this video, he's got another flat section where he used to do sand drags and mud bogs, I think. I haven't seen any of that lately, so I'm not sure if he's really into that anymore. But yeah, there's another great spot. You can really open the bike up if you're doing some of that, practice some starts, or just practice, learning to ride and stuff over there, where it's a little flatter. He does offer camping and stuff, I believe, so you can stay the night if you're coming from a ways away. But yeah, he's a pretty nice guy, so he'll really help accommodate you whichever way he can. So as I make my way out onto the big track, as you can probably tell already, this is a deeper sand track. The only other one like this that I know of nearby is West Craven, which is about 3 hours from here. Love it or hate it. Personally, I love the deep sand. I think it's a challenge, makes riding more fun. You can push it in the corners a little harder, not have to worry about, falling on some hard clay or something. But like I said before, this track super fun, super flowy. I wouldn't say you need a lot of experience to be able to ride it. Most of these jumps are rollable for sure, you know, so you can work your way up to hitting every single one. But yeah, I'd say the biggest jump he has was that one you just saw, is about 100 feet. But yeah, again, super fun, super flowy, ton of different line choices, so you can get in some track battles, make some passes, which I'll show you near the end of this video. I get into it with some guys, which is always a blast. But he doesn't really have a class layout like some other tracks. There's no A-B separation or anything like that. He kind of just waters throughout the day without warning, which is fine. But you'll see him go out there with the watering trucks and stuff, you know, keep the track nice and dry. But yeah, guys, it's pretty straightforward. It's kind of easy to find. There's a gas station literally less than a quarter mile away. Tons of snacks, you know, whatever you need, gas, diesel, it's got everything. So yeah, it's a great spot. You should come down and check it out. Hope this video was helpful. And if you see me there, flag me down. Catch you guys later.